Okay guys, this will be an unboxing of OSHKOSH M1070. This was prepared and shipped from Sri Lanka by Dasun. Let's see, this looks like the cab, and there are some pieces that goes with it. You have to be very extra careful. Pieces. This is going to be an interesting build, I can tell you all now. Let's make sure that everything is there. One thing that I can say, it was neatly packed, properly protected from moving around, because of course it's being shipped from Sri Lanka all the way to the States and then to the Caribbean. So here we are. Very much excited about this build. Let's see what we got here. Wow, look at this. Look at this, guys. This is very, very neatly done, professionally. Wow, look at the quality. It's a sort of PVC material, and this just looks awesome. Wow, look at the steering wheel, man. I am more than happy with this packaging. Let's see, this should be the red part of it. Have to be extra careful. Hey guys, if you need to get your rig organized, built, what have you, this guy does an awesome job, man. An awesome job. Okay, I think the way it's going to be designed or set up is like this. Yeah, I'm just gonna get this out of the way. It's gonna be set up like this. Like I said, guys, you have to be very careful because this is a special build. Okay. All right. I think this might be heading towards this section here, I think. All right. I will have to deal with it after, but based on how everything is organized, you just want to see what's in the box. What's in the box? Okay, these are, wow, look at that. Headlights, man. This guy is good. This guy is really good, man. The detail aspect of this build is something else, guys. Have to be extra careful. You know, if I have to grade my satisfaction out of 100, guys, it's gonna be more than 100. Okay, more than 100. Okay, this looks like the dashboard. Wow, this looks like the front bumper. This should be some extra add-on. Wow, look at this, man. This is an awesome quality of work, man. This is high standard, guys. I'm so satisfied with this, to be quite honest, man. If I had what it takes, I probably would have do another, but who knows, maybe I probably will. All right, let's see. This should be for the front part. This should be the send the fenders properly packed together. Yes, this is for like the front fenders, guys. Yep, 2 front fender. So this is going to be fitting like this, and this is the real deal, man. Like I said, be careful because you have some extra details like the rail handles, which you want to make sure that you don't damage. So you take your time to unpack, unravel. Nice. So the front is going to be set up like something like this, guys, and we are going to have like the fenders. Where is the next one? Where is it? What did I do with the next one? Oh, it's right here. So basically, that's it. Oh, this is a rear fender also. So I'm going to pause right now, and a little later on we shall see the complete how to look onto the rig. Okay, guys.